Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pluto TV. We click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here, you will go to this page of Pluto TV and you will click. Here in this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. And after that here, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.